Alright, I'm going to go over the latch drop opening. The latch drop opening is a much underappreciated opening for the Balisong. People always learn the really flashy stuff first. They want to go for spins and flipping it around, making it look cool. This is a fast draw. It's a reverse grip fast draw opening. The blade's going to come out facing down and the blade is going to be facing forward. So here's what it looks like. There you go. That's the latch draw opening. And the way you do that is hold the Balisong in a reverse grip. I'm using sort of a larger knife just for this tutorial so you guys can see. And what you're going to do, hold it in reverse grip, flip the latch, pinch the latch between your thumb and index finger right at the base, and you're just going to let the safe handle drop and swing. Drop and swing. Opening, closing, same motion. Once it's open, the back of the blade is going to be facing forward when you first catch it, and it's just a simple twist in the grip to put the live blade forward. So once again, grab that latch handle, that latch, drop and swing, drop and swing. Looks cool. A lot of people have never seen it before. Like I said, this is a larger knife. It's a little bit heavier, so I'm doing it a little bit slower. But if you want to see a faster draw, there you go. Smaller knife, right there, ready for whatever you want to do. There you go.